In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add friends on LoveSpouse app on iPhone. Firstly, after you download and install the LoveSpouse app, turn on your LoveSpouse compatible device and enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. In the app, tap the plus icon to add or bind your device. You can scan the QR code from the device or enter the device code manually. Now open the app and go to the device or partner tab. Tap Add Partner or Link Partner button and you'll be given a unique partner code or QR code. Share this code or QR code with your partner. Your partner should go to Add Partner on their app and either enter the code or scan the QR code. Once both of you confirm the request, you'll be linked as partners inside the app. And once linked, you can control each other's devices remotely, chat on voice call inside the app, or use interactive vibrations and sync features. And that's it, guys. As simple as that.